Hello friends. The coronavirus or COVID-19 is a family of viruses that cause a range of illnesses in humans, including the common cough and cold and more severe forms like SARS and MERS, which are life-threatening. With the increase of COVID-19 cases and the death worldwide, the WHO declared the virus outbreak a pandemic in the second week of March 2020. So, due to any kind of pandemic, the global markets correct sharply. Thus, this was no exception. Indian markets too succumbed to selling pressure and Nifty declined 35% during the recent correction. So, can we as stock market participants benefit from this correction? So, to know that, stay tuned with me till the last minute of this video where we have a surprise for you. The coronavirus outbreak and the subsequent countrywide lockdown deeply impacted the Indian economy. It hit hard the income of all the Indian retailers selling non-essential items like car, furnitures, clothes, jewelry, etc. Majority of the companies are expecting a significant decline in revenue and job losses. The most severely impacted sectors were the aviation, automotive and seafood, etc. Going forward, weak income growth and job losses are expected to impact demand and some products post-lockdown too. The COVID-19 pandemic crisis has triggered large erosion of demand globally, resulting in a sharp decline in crude prices due to absence of demand because of lockdown. India imports more than 80% of its crude oil requirements. A significant price change in crude oil has a direct impact on the India's current account deficit. Hence, if the oil prices continue to be in the lower range for a long period of time, it will reduce India's import bill and in turn the current account deficit. Crude oil is used as a raw material by a lot of companies. Thus, a big drop in the crude oil price may make some manufacturing companies see positive traction as fuel cost for production declines. Many pharma companies to benefit due to huge demand for paracetamol and allied medicines. This pandemic has also made people realize the importance of life and medical insurance. Thus, these sectors can see some good order book. So what is the government initiative? Finance Minister announced Rs 1.76 lakh crore relief package aiming at softening the effect of this disruption. It would largely benefit the unorganized sector workers, especially the daily wage earners, urban and the rural poor. Over the past few years, the Indian stock market has witnessed many crashes. The biggest of them was in 2008-9, where was the subprime lending crisis when the market dropped by almost 60% from its peak. However, from 2009, stock markets across the globe recovered. Indian stock market saw a sustained bull run over the years despite few hiccups. Currently, coronavirus is impacting the global and the Indian economy and stock market, which has led to massive portfolio getting washed out. Indian stock market fell by around 35%, giving an opportunity for long-term investors to invest in fundamentally sound companies at a discounted price. So, which are the stocks that might benefit from this downturn? So, for that, you need to subscribe to StockEdge app. Here, under the premium option, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criteria like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here, you can check all the scans which the stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So to know that, we are giving you a coupon code which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of StockEdge, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So, what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know the stocks which can give you the best returns under Stockage Premium version. Thank you.